So welcome to our YouTube channel, and in video we will see how we can solve these problems as you see in thumbnail also. So what is problem actually? So we'll see how to resolve this problem. This is a mistake or we forget to do something that so check that something is come like this something project okay required bin, and here injecting point. Here you can see the problems indicate what injecting points, okay, and this type of required equals to true, and consider define a bin type, and this is a package, and in your configuration something this type of error is coming in your program. That meaning is that it is same as these problems, okay. I also face this problem so many times because we forget to do something that to do. This problem actually comes when you forget to annotate something. Okay, it is a Spring Boot project, so we may forget to annotate any controller or service class. Then this type of problems comes. So what actually where the problem is? So here you can see the complete path. Okay, from product microservice means this is my path of project. Okay, this is package and this is my class. Okay, so where I did some mistakes means I forget something. Okay, so let's see, let me run it again. You can see actually it is coming or not. See, I'm running it. Okay, running it again. See, this is a problem, right? And in a controller we have annotated everything. Okay, and here also I have annotated this is my interface. Okay, so no need to, but this is my class where you can see that I have not annotated as a service. Okay, so that's why it is coming, and so many times I also face such a problems. Okay, and find and resolve also, but now I'm also sharing with you, so maybe you are facing such problem and this may be helpful for you. So please check if such a problem coming, then definitely you are forget to annotate something. Okay, so I have annotated. Now I will run it again. See, and it is running successfully. So, okay, so that is indicated the problem that we have forget to annotate something. Yeah, either service class or maybe controller class. Okay, so then this problem comes. Hope this may be resolve your problem. Is if your problem is related to this, then definitely this will work for you also. Okay, and something else, then please comment in comment section so that I can come with that video I can make. Okay, so like, share, and comment and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.